What's up, YouTubers? Here in a Volkswagen Jetta, and what I got today is a pressure loss detected in my tires. I got an indicator right there. I also got an indicator right there. Let me show you how do I addressed it and what I checked. So first thing I want to mention is that I don't have a flashing TPMS sign, so this video would definitely not apply to if this was flashing on startup, blinking for at least a minute and then remains solid. Mine never blinks, mine's just on constantly, which should indicate in my circumstance that I have low tire pressure in one of the 4 tires. We're gonna go ahead and check that. First thing you wanna do is make sure that you haven't been driving around for long. Basically, your tires should be on the colder end. And the next thing you want to do is make sure that you have something to check the tire pressure with. Most gas stations will have a tire pressure checker. Here we go. I'm going to show you what numbers you should be looking for based upon the original. This is for the original factory wheels. If you have modified wheels, you should check with the person who installed them or the manufacturer as to what tire pressure you should be set to on those tires. What you do is come over to your driver's door. So driver's door right over here. And you want to come over to this sticker on this door right over here, and this will give you the proper tire pressures for the factory tires and the sizes that correspond with that. So make sure to check that you have these tires, because this will only apply if you have these tires. Okay, and as you can see, it basically indicates to check all 4. Here are the cold pressures that you should have, correct? 36 psi for front and rear in my case, and then we're going to go ahead and reset it. I'm going to show you. Quick tip before I continue: make sure to take off your dust caps on all 4 of your wheels. Oftentimes I see people put money in the machine and then they're scrambling to take these off. They just unscrew from the tires. Oftentimes what you'll find, the checkers at the gas stations, tire pressure checkers, the free ones, will look like this, where you put this end into the tire and then this end right here will pop out with the psi for that tire. All right, let me show you how that's done. What you're going to do is take this hose off and then come over to the tire. Just gonna plug this side in while looking at this end right over here. Go ahead and plug that in at about 30 psi on this tire. So I'm gonna go ahead and top these off to the recommended 36 like you saw on the sticker, and then show you how to do it. The last thing you wanna do after you set up all your tires is to put your dust caps back on. Okay, and the next thing you wanna do is turn the ignition on, where you just have everything on, all the lights on the dash. Next thing you want to do, don't start the car, just come over to the menu button. What you're going to do is come over to vehicles, tap the vehicles, and once you tap vehicles, you see this: when all 4 tire pressures have been checked, press set. What you want to do is press set. Once again, we'll ask you to confirm. Okay, and my tire pressures have been saved. Now what I want to do, if I just want to back out, press menu, turn the ignition off, start the car. And as you can see, I no longer have the tire pressure indicated. Like, share, subscribe. See you on the next one.